Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize AT&T cloud solutions step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current cloud infrastructure. Identify the specific services provided by AT&T cloud solutions that best fit your needs. Create a comprehensive inventory of your existing workloads. Evaluate the performance and scalability requirements of each workload. Determine any compliance or security needs relevant to your industry. Next, set clear objectives for optimizing your cloud setup. Analyze your usage patterns to identify underutilized resources. Consider implementing automation tools for resource management. Review your storage options and select the most cost-effective solutions. Implement a content delivery network to enhance performance. Explore multi-cloud strategies to avoid vendor lock-in. Utilize AT&T's analytics tools to gain insights into your resource usage. Regularly monitor your cloud environment for performance bottlenecks. Adjust your resources based on real-time data to improve efficiency. Enhance security measures by utilizing AT&T's advanced security features. Train your team on best practices for cloud management and optimization. Finally, document all changes made for future reference and ongoing optimization. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.